guess what? They installed Snowflake's. Still the same street that we just went, but not this one. There's Snowflakes on Mamaroneck Avenue Part 2. Look nice. Here are the other ones right here. A few of them. On the left, that goes to Bloomingdale Road. Here's Duncan. We're now on 8C. Route 8C. They installed Snowflakes on Route 8C. Which I found on Google Maps of the details. Christmas lights at a chapel. There are 3 schools: Our Lady of Charles Elementary School, Mamaroneck High School, and Ridgeway. That's a lot of school zones. 3 school zones. What do you think about this?
Yes.
Alright, that will be it to Elinor and Fluttershy.
Yes.
Alright, that's it.